So now in this video, I'll come to the case in case we want to use any kind of calculation in MS Access. Let's say I have the basic pay here, and assuming directly I want to calculate some kind of maybe tax on this. Let's say there's no allowances or anything else. This is all that is there just for this purpose of this question. And I want to calculate a tax on this. Maybe this tax is 15%. So how we would calculate 15% of this basic pay? For this, click on this field, go to the ribbon and select builder. Now once I open builder, this box will open up. I need to select basic pay because this is the 15% I want to calculate. So first press the plus sign before the database name. Now go to tables, and I have saved the basic pay and in the salary details. That's where I enter it. So as you can see, basic pay is visible here. Double click it, it adds it just right here into, as I want 15% of it, 0.15. Press OK. As you can see, it has named it expression 1. Now MS Access doesn't know what we are calculating. So if I want to name it something, just open it and change this expression 1 to, let's say, tax amount. Press OK. It's saved as, press run. As you can see, it's added this new column, this field name tax amount, which is 15% of basic pay. So this is how we could do one kind of calculation. But let's say I want to further calculate basic pay minus tax amount. That is the net salary or net pay I've received. For this, if you come to design view, one thing you would notice when I do this is, let's go to builder, click this field name, then go to builder. Again, press a plus along the database. Now I want this basic pay is available the same way. If I go to salaries and I press basic pay twice, I get this. And I want to minus this amount here. But if I go to query and I see here, it's not visible. Before this, always remember, first when I do this run of query, then press close it and press save. Now it will have the response, the value of query will be mentioned. Now go back to design view to edit it. Here come to builder, open this. Now same way again, tables, go to salary, I added basic pay here. Now I want to press minus. In case I do not press minus, I'll just show you what also happens here. Press query. Then as you can see here, tax amount now is visible. So always remember, first save a query to calculate something which is using a calculated value. Otherwise it will not appear. Now if I press tax amount, it adds this uh, place expression in between these two angular brackets. Basically it's telling me to add some kind of plus sign or minus sign here. So erase this and replace it with a minus. And as we did before, I can name it also. So if I want here to name it net salary, click double the colon. Okay, it's named it. So in case I had not named it here, let's say the builder I just left it blank, it would add the expression. It would add expression one like before, but it doesn't know what to name. So either I can rename it if I want, or I can add it at the start itself. Here I can add net salary as this name of this field. Press OK, press run. As you can see, now it has calculated even this amount, which is basic pay minus tax amount as a response. So to save it, close it and save it. So now this query will be visible like this.